Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where groundbreaking technologies are transforming industries and unlocking new opportunities for financial success. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized various sectors, from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to e-commerce. Now it's time for you to tap into this lucrative realm and leverage AI for financial gains. There are millions of ways you can make money using AI. One of them is by leveraging its power in data analysis and machine learning. Companies are constant need of insights from vast amounts of data, and AI algorithms can extract valuable patterns and predictions that drive business decisions. By developing expertise in data analysis and machine learning, you can offer your services as a consultant or data scientist, helping businesses make smarter, data-driven choices. We also have automation and robotics powered by AI, which are reshaping industries, reducing the costs and increasing the needed efficiency. They have seized the opportunity by developing AI-driven automation solutions tailored to specific business needs, whether it's streamlining the manufacturing processes or optimizing customer services through chatbots. The possibilities are endless. By offering automation services or developing AI-powered products, you can generate revenue while empowering businesses to thrive in the digital era. The rise of AI has led to the creation of innovative AI-powered applications, from virtual assistants to personalized recommendation systems. These applications enhance user experiences and drive customer engagement. By developing AI applications or partnering with developers, you can tap into the growing market of AI-driven products and services, generating revenue through licensing, subscriptions. Now we need to realize that AI-powered tools are reshaping the content creation world as well. With the tools like ChatGPT, you can use it for content creation. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate text based on prompts provided to it. It can be utilized to generate creative ideas, draft articles or blog posts, provide writing assistance, and so much more. Here are some ways you can use this ChatGPT for your content creations. Number one, it gives you idea generation. If you're struggling to come up with the content ideas, you can provide a prompt or topic to the ChatGPT and ask it to generate ideas. It can provide you with a list of potential topics, angles, or subtopics that you can further explore and develop into full-fledged content pieces. Number two, outlining and drafting, where ChatGPT can assist you in outlining or drafting your content. Provided with an introduction or a rough outline, and it can generate the subsequent paragraphs or section based on the given data, even concept. You can then refine and edit the generated text to create a cohesive and polished piece. Number three is the writing assistance. When you encounter writer's block or need help with specific sections of your content, you can actually go and interact with ChatGPT. It helps you in brainstorming ideas or receive suggestions for improving your writing. It can offer alternative phrasing, provide examples, or assist in structuring your content as well. Content expansion. That's number four. If you have partially written article or blog post, you can use ChatGPT to expand a certain points or provide additional insights. Simply provide the existing content and ask ChatGPT to expand on specific sections and more details, or offer supporting examples with that. ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance, as we've seen. You can review and edit the output generated by ChatGPT. Why? So you can ensure accuracy, coherence, and alignment with your writing style and objectives. ChatGPT can be a useful tool to support your content creation. But remember one thing, it's important to exercise your own judgment and expertise as a writer, because you want to give a unique, high quality, and of course an engaging content. Apart from ChatGPT, we have other several AI powered tools that assist freelancers in various aspects of their work. And of course, these tools leverage AI technology to streamline processes, enhance your productivity, improve the quality of your work as well. Such as some examples of these tools are one of them, like design tools. These design tools are AI-powered design tools. The popular Canva and Adobe Sensei. What they do is they simplify graphic design tasks for freelancers. These tools offer templates, automated design suggestions, image recognition, plus other AI features that facilitate the creation of professional-looking designs without the extensive designs. We also have language translation tools. AI-powered translation tools like Google Translate or DeepL help freelancers communicate with clients or collaborate with individuals from different language backgrounds. These tools provide instant translations, enabling effective cross-language communication. Remember, investing in your own knowledge and skills is crucial. Numerous online learning platforms offer AI courses, allowing you to acquire the necessary expertise and staying updated with the latest AI advancements. By expanding your AI knowledge, you position yourself as a sought-after professional in this rapidly evolving field, opening doors to lucrative job opportunities, consulting gigs, or even entrepreneurship ventures. So if you have gigs on Fiverr, not only can you utilize these AI-powered tools to your advantage, you can also help yourself to do more, learn more, and earn more in little amount of time. Nowadays, many freelancers take help from ChatGPT or utilize different AI-powered design tools or even use Google Translate to help them translate items for what? Just transcription tasks. So AI has been kind to us when many predicted that AI will replace some of these jobs. Updated with advancements in understanding your target audience are essential for success in utilizing AI for online income. So go ahead and start identifying your strengths and of course your interests within the AI domain and explore opportunities that align with your skills and goals. Entrepreneurship in AI space is booming. If you have a groundbreaking AI idea or innovation, starting your own AI-focused startup can be a pathway to financial success. With the right vision, strategy, and access to funding, of course, you can build a company that leverages AI technology to disrupt industries and create value. The world of AI is filled with endless possibilities for financial growth. Whether you choose to offer data analysis services, develop AI applications, embark on an entrepreneurial journey, or explore other AI-driven avenues, the key lies in embracing the power of AI and its transformative potential. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to financial success with AI? The future awaits and the opportunities are yours to seize. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your path